The weekly code quiz. How do the regulations with the 1990 ADA or Americans with Disabilities Act apply to websites? The ADA prohibits discrimination against those with disabilities to ensure equal rights and opportunities for those with and without disabilities. This covers all sectors as well as public and private entities. The law was applied to all electronic and information technology, including websites, in 2010 by the U.S. Department of Justice, DOJ, as the ADA Standards for Accessible Design. Are there different requirements for types of businesses? Businesses that fall under a Title I or Title III ADA designation are required to develop an accessible website. Title I businesses have at least 15 full-time employees and operate 20 or more weeks per year. Title III covers places of public accommodation. These are businesses open to the public and can include schools, places of recreation, offices, hotels, banks, and public transportation. E-commerce websites and public mobile applications can fall under Title III. If you are unclear if your business falls under Title I or Title III, consult a lawyer for legal advice. What about Title II? You may be wondering about Title II under the ADA. This is where Section 508 applies to federal agencies and state and local government. Did the ADA offer specific guidelines for website compliance? While the ADA did not offer specific guidelines for website compliance, the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines are a reference for understanding digital accessibility. The core principles previously described fall under the WCAG 2.1 guidelines, and next week we will get more specific as to what is necessary for creating an accessible website. What is the liability for failing to have an ADA-compliant website? Without an ADA-compliant website, a business will be open to lawsuits. In addition to the cost of a lawsuit, the business will be forced to become compliant, which is costly as well. What are other downsides of non-compliance? Businesses that aren't compliant are also deliberately excluding a certain segment of the population from accessing their content. As we saw previously, 20% of the world's population has some sort of disability that impairs their use of a computer in some way. This is a large number of people to be deliberately excluding from your business and could represent a significant cost in terms of missed sales opportunities. What are some advantages to compliance? ADA-compliant websites are automatically search engine optimized, so by being compliant, you may notice better ranking of your website by search engines. Ultimately, designing your website with ADA compliance in mind is good business. It is also the right thing to do to design your site for inclusion of all. From the National Law Review published June 2, 2021, ADA website litigation continues to proliferate in 2021. U.S. companies have been inundated with lawsuits in the past several years alleging that their websites do not comply with the ADA and various state laws, including the California Unruh Act. Plaintiffs claim that the websites do not meet the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines created by the nonprofit World Wide Web Consortium because visually impaired consumers allegedly cannot access the sites using screen reader software. While it is difficult to determine with precision the number of cases that have been filed, they have increased 75% from just over 2,000 reported cases in 2018 to approximately 3,500 cases in 2020. And the numbers are steadily rising. The cases target all manner of business across a wide range of industries. Source: https://www.natlawreview.com article/ADA-website-litigation-continues-to-proliferate-2021. Presented by Designers Learn Code.